family and friends, hey guys, welcome back to another reaction video. Today I'm back again with Diana Ankudinova Blizzard. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Go. Oh my god, oh no. My mind is blowing. Like every time I listen to her, it's like my first time listening to her because she's just incredible and she has a unique voice, you know. She's talented, she's unique, she has a unique voice. Oh my god. So wow, every time I listen to her, it's like my first time. Even right now, I think like it's my first time in, you know, wow. Oh, even if it was me, oh my gosh, I'll do the same thing. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh no. It's so good. Well, come on. Oh no, oh no. Is she acting right now or is it like she's doing both? Like she's singing and she's acting, you know, because she's so deep in. Wow. Oh. Yo, come on. Oh my god. Wow. That seems like she's about to cry. Look at her eyes. Oh my god, it's full of tears. Is that tears of joy or look at her. Oh. Whoa. Okay. She's not. Oh, it's good. Yeah, Diana. Oh, seems to know like young than today, and it's so crazy the way she like she gives the deep emotional performance, like classic vibe. Everything was just perfect, and it's Diana. Come on, wow, it was so good. I enjoyed. It was a blow mandate. And I would also like to know what the judges thought about our performance, you know. But that was the end. So, that's for today. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. It was Diana Ankudinova Blizzard live performance. Thank you. Show performance. Bye bye.